The sun comes out, so do motorcycles. But to ride your motorcycle on base requires completing a motorcycle rider's safety course. This training protects our most important resource, our guardsmen. If you plan to ride on an Air Force installation, you must comply with Air Force and DoD instructions and some very important training. This includes a motorcycle safety foundation course, a basic rider course, or an experienced rider course. And most importantly, you've got to wear personal protective equipment, including boots, helmet, jacket and gloves, and eyewear. Congratulations! Now that that's wrapped up, it's time to fire up that beast and have some fun.